In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Bluebeam session. In order to do that, you first need to head over right here to their website, which is bluebeam.com. Once you're in there, you can just proceed to get access by clicking on this Get Started to sign up for an account. You can also get 14 days of free trial when you click on this Try It Free option. Alternatively, you can also buy the software directly, so click on this Buy Now. Once you have access, proceed to click onto this login option that will appear and then log into your Bluebeam right there. Since I've already downloaded the actual software, here is what it looks like. So to create the new Bluebeam session, you just need to open the Studio panel. This is actually the last icon right here into your panel, which is the Studio icon or House icon. Click on this. After that, we can see it right here. Now onto this case, you just need to start a new session. Just choose right here the server that you wish to use. Then head over and click onto this sign in option that will appear. Do take note that when you actually click onto this sign in, you can use your Revo login credentials for this case. Now I've already signed in. Now click on this plus icon to create a new project or join a new session. Click on this new. Name your project. So for example, let's name this Polly. Click on OK. And then a new project shall be created and this session will be uploaded. So here is our session right there. You can actually add folders and files directly into this, and you can browse for PDFs or add open files into this directly if you would want to. You can also set the permissions, restrict attendees, and create a session based on this and invite users. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.